You're here today because you need guidance with choosing from our SL Raw collection, either from our wavy or our loose curly. Well, I'm here to help. My name is LeAna, your beauty hair expert, and today I'm going to be assisting you on how to choose from our SL Raw wavy hair or our SL Raw loose curly. Starting off with our SL Raw natural wavy, this hair has been sourced from South India. It is raw and it has been ethically sourced. You'll notice this wavy texture, which can be straightened and styled beautifully. This hair comes in a natural black, which is a 1B, but sometimes it can vary between a number 2. What we want you to realize is when ordering from raw natural wavy hair, you want to make sure that you pair those bundles together. Reason being, each bundle may vary in texture because not one individual is the same. Due to its raw state, you may notice that hairs may have minor split ends or a little mild frizzing. This can easily be addressed by getting your ends trimmed at the time of installation and applying serums or mousses to minimize frizz. Now moving on to our loose curly hair. Same as our natural wavy hair, our loose curly collection has been sourced from South India. One thing that you'll notice is our loose curly has way more texture than our SL Raw wavy hair. That being, these will hold curls even greater than the wavy collection. Not only that, you will notice that you have way more volume and just a little bit more density. This hair is great for the woman who's looking for a beautiful tussle look and want to do minimizing when it comes to styling. Definitely consider the loose curly collection if this is you. Well, that's it for now. I hope I've been helpful, and we look forward to servicing you at slrawversionhair.com.